to think in the future, if you try to build your own business, okay, you can always do a standard performance management, right? Measure lang din mo ang mga ginabuhat sa mga employees, kung tama ba, according ba sa rules or sa standard process. But we also have this strategic project performance management, where we actually break down into simple milestones. Okay, so for example, for my example here, in my report, we have McDonald's, because that is one of the food chain that we are familiar of, right? Have you dined in McDonald's recently?
No.
Other day.
So over time, we have noticed some integration, some innovation in their process to improve the customer's experience. So, for my example, we have McDonald's. Let's try to imagine. Let's put yourselves in a thinking camp where you are the CEO of McDonald's, and you're trying to lessen the wait time. Okay, we have to solve the problem, which is lessen the wait time of the customers. And also, since we are in 2023, we have to integrate some new technologies sa processes, right? Especially sa Gen Z. Right now, they're really want to technological stuff, brand new phones and high-tech stuff. So it's really important to stay relevant. So going back to the topic, so McDonald's problem kay solve for faster customer experience, right? So we break it down into tiny pieces where we involve the 4 phases or cycle. Na four phases sa cycle sa strategic performance management, which is number 1, focus, number 2, alignment, number 3 is integration, number 4 is review. So, mamahal nag-discuss na puyo ka na siya to properly execute. Okay? So, let's start with focus first. Alright. So, where it all begin? Sa senior management team. Okay, so ang example, imagine na you're the senior management team. You're trying to solve this customer experience, faster customer experience, right? So senior management team generate or creates or brainstorm ideas to identify the solution. And they also think about the KPI. KPI stands for Key
Performance Indicators.
So what does that mean? So meron ka ng measurement na siya, easy measurement na, easy na task or goals na pwede ma-achieve sa employee. Let's say, you're doing sales, okay? You're a salesman, example lang or naka sa counter dito sa McDonald's, ikaw mo receive sa money or sa sales. Goal mo for each week, dapat maka 100 ka burgers. Okay, 100 ka burgers. Sa 5 working days lang, Monday to Friday, pila dapat gawin mo ma-sold na burgers?
20.
Na equivalent, ma-equal siya divide. Siguro tayo, divide mo 5, diba? So 20, each day dapat maka 20 ka. So muna ang KPI. Simple lang siya, bakit tayo 100? Sa isawan to, breakdown para mas achievable ang goal na. So for this type, ano ang focus phase na sa focus sa McDonald's introduces kiosk. You see the kiosk or sa McDonald's. It's also present in Jollibee. Kaya kung mag-illuminate ka to just use the instead, di ba, before we have to run in the counter, present our order to the mga di ba, present ang order sa
that, di ba? Here in the university. It's not new.
Exactly. So, that's one of the digital integration. Kaya para mag-stay relevant ang McDonald's. Tapos to improve daw ang cost. What's the problem in the first place? Faster customer experience. Okay? But sometimes, nadyo na yung mga, ikaw mag-inya ka, dami mga namigis bago na customer sa bahay. Ano, padugit. Ay, Okay, now.
It's because they have to know.
They have
Yes.
their
Right?
right.
You know, they have to know how
To
to
make
operate
decisions.
that.
Exactly. That's what we're gonna talk about in a bit because McDonald's will make sure na kabalikan mag-operate nato o mas ma-achievable dyan ang faster turnaround time. Then, mga to, McDonald's introduced KPIs such as reduce average service time. Number 2, decrease customer wait time. Increase user adoption rates of digital systems. And achieve ito tulo. Next, let's go to alignment phase. So, mara na siya kanang gula na na catch ball. So, the senior management team throws the ball with all the rules, mga plans, and all of that. And the person who will catch that, which is the employees or the management team, na mag-implement sa kanilang mga rules nila ang ginawa. So we are here now in the alignment phase, making sure that what the senior management team generates or creates, brainstorms, kay ma-apply on throughout the company para fulfill. Exactly, the integration. It's just simple, right? Kailangan lang makabalo ang IT department. Dapat involve na lang
Let us let him finish, okay?
dapat mag-involve.
Alright, to you.
Dapat mag-involve tanan ani. So, let's try to involve the IT department na dapat user-friendly ang katong kiosk na kailangan. Hindi siya libog kayo gamiton. Then, staff training. Mapapansin ako, there are staff that are assigned there, the kiosk area, trying to take your order. What's your order, ma'am? If you're having trouble using the kiosk, they take over, right? Kami nila order na ma'am, nakakabuhi. So, those are the staff training. And especially sa mga older age, no? Kaya hindi sila aware, most of them. But kita mga bright man type, sure. So, kaya na ito. Then, performance monitoring. Okay, performance monitoring, this is very important. Some of the, because I worked in McDonald's before, no? Kung sa una, kaya nag-impyo ko ka, no? Mga CR. Tapos, McDonald's will track at the time na magsugod pa lang ang customer. Kung pila ka minutes siya magbaktas, kung padalong sa kiosk, pila ka oras siya mag-take order na sa pinag-pindot na sa Nugaya, o pila ka oras siya mag-iap siya kwarta para magbayad sa counter. And to calculate that, they will try to lessen that full experience. Let's say 5 minutes siya nag-overall sa experience. Kung si Lola from the game, 5 minutes siya mamad. They try to use some tools. Pero pirahon siya para mas siya maabot dito sa kiosk na para mas madalas na time. That's just a sort of mga funny lang na example, pero you get the idea, right? So it's a collaborative effort. Okay? Meaning, ang katong nasa August, o katong senior management department na nag-create sa idea, kato dili man sa pero tama good. Katong nasa taas. Okay, theoretical naman to speaking. Now, kato sa August, katong mga nasa management team na, practical na sila. Ang na sila sa netabo in reality, na nalaying anin, na wala na experience, na wala sa pag-theorize. So, they reiterate. They try to change the strategy. Moto ka ganina, bilahon na si Lola, para mas mabot, kaya siya. Then, to make sure na ang main goal mo sa business guys ay to minimize cost and maximize profit. Especially sa innovation sa AI karon. Nagana kay na laid off ng mga workers. Okay, they think na mas pas-pas magtrabaho ang AI than us mere human beings. So that's just a move. Again, we have 4 phases. We'll go to the integration, which we will talk about more about.
I think it will not take you so long because it's time already. How long it will take you to finish your report? 2 minutes?
Oh,
Okay, are you done? Ako naman din siya. So ito at ako na apa.
Napay mo report mo.
Sige, so alignment, focus and alignment. Alright? So are there any question? Integration? And the last one, ano yung panglima? Apat?
Review mo.
Review.
Review. Yes. Don't forget all of those because those are very important. No? Okay, important, no? Part of the review, no? Okay, evaluation. Okay, sige, since it's time already, let's end now, then we can go now. Okay, goodbye, see you tomorrow for the exam. Okay, class, again, for the other person.
Uno.
Yun na muli.